Hello, Mr. Barry's geometry class. I'm taking a look at his assignment today, which is the multiplication rule and some word problems here. I'm just going to take you through a couple of them, and they're actually pretty easy. You could, go through them and try 2 and 4 on your own. And you are going to look at the multiplication rule. The probability of A and B happening would be equal to the probability A times the probability of B. So take a look at number 1. The probability that a customer selects pizza with pepperoni is 55%. That's as a decimal. Assuming that 3 customers who enter a pizzeria are independent of each other, what is the probability that they all order pizzas with pepperoni? Well, this would be 55% times itself 3 times. So 55% to the third power, or 0.55 to the third power, which ends up being 0.166 or 16.7% that all 3 will order a pepperoni pizza. For number 2, I just want to read this through with you. Probability of an A in POD is 50%. What is the probability that 5 random students or seniors all earn A's in POD? Well, you would just take that 50 to the 5th power, because you'd just be multiplying that by itself 5 times. And so it's very similar to number 1. Number 3, 2 cards are drawn from a standard deck of cards with replacement. So it's going back in, so you're back at 52 every time. Find the probability that both cards are hearts. So you would have 13 out of 52. You put it back, 13 out of 52. And so that's 169 out of 2,704. You just multiply the numerator and the denominator. If you're having difficulty reducing fractions, look for a reducing calculator, and I think I'll put it on here, the one that I use. So look for that, and you just plug that in and it'll give you the fraction reduced. It just makes life a lot easier. I put this in my calculator, 1 divided by 16, and I got 0.0625. That translates to 6.25%. How about a red card and a spade is drawn? So red card is going to be 26 out of 52. You have this given to you also by Mr. Barry. So you have all the cards. You have also, this is for rolling dice, but looking at the cards, so there's 13 and 13. So there's 13 hearts, there's 13 diamonds. Those are all the red cards. So that would be your 26. That's where I'm getting these numbers from. So you could actually see them in case you didn't know. And then a spade, from that page I just showed you, there are 13 spades. So just multiply numerator and denominator. You get 1/8 or 0.125 or 12.5%. And then C, 1 is a club and 1 is a 4. So clubs are 13 out of 52. A 4, there's 4 4s out of 52 in a deck of cards. So that'd be 52 over 2,704, or 1 over 52. That would simplify down to, or not simplify, but if I divided 1 divided by 52, I get 0.019 or 1.9%. Make sure you're utilizing that helpful paper that I just showed you from Mr. Barry, that will help you with number 4 also. And once again, on this link, I'll also put, or on this announcement in Google Classroom, I'll put the link for the fraction reducer calculator. All right, good luck.